Well, it is hot, it is summer, and if you need a fan, this is a great, great fan. It's an upright fan by Lasko. It stands about 3 feet tall. It's remote controlled. Turn it on. Comes on high and then it goes back down to low. And then I could switch speeds with the remote. Also oscillate. Does about a 45-degree oscillation. Covers the room pretty doggone good. And with the temperatures in the United States right now, this could be a lifesaver. It's also got a timer on it. Click the timer. And it'll go off in an hour, 2 hours, 4 hours. Are off. Really good fan. The bottom vents are fixed, but the top vents do move up and down so you can cover the room a little better. And it might just help you survive this hot summer we're having.